Hello guys, I bought Jordan course a couple of months ago, and honestly, I've never regret why buying this course. You know why? Because I have learned a lot. Trust me. Within this couple of months I bought this course, what I have learned is unquestionable. It's unbelievable. I could not believe I could learn such skills or such skills within a short period of time. This guy's course is marvelous. This guy's course is outstanding. I've bought courses, previous courses on YouTube about YouTube from other guys, but Jordan's own stands out to be the best. Trust me. You know why I'm saying this? Because I am a living witness. I have bought this course. I've followed the guidelines instructed by Jordan on how we can create a YouTube, on how we can make money on YouTube. I've followed all those full steps, and it's actually working for me. I'm a living witness. I am making a decent cash of money on YouTube with the help of Jordan's course. The only thing like about this course? It will teach you step by step on how you can easily create a YouTube feed or YouTube channel. Back in the days, right? Previously, I used to like, how am I gonna create a YouTube channel? How am I gonna be on camera? How can I go about this? But Jordan has made it so easy. Okay, he has made it so easy. He has detailed down step by step on how you can go about this. You don't need to be on camera to make money on YouTube, guys. Before I've never thought of that, but Jordan has made it clear and has made it easy that you don't need to be on camera 24/7 to make money on YouTube. There's something we call faceless channel. On that course, it contains the details on how you can outsource your videos. Okay, on how you can easily outsource your videos to make money on YouTube. Honestly, this guy's course is killing it. I've never regretted an inch while buying this course. And one of the key things I love about this course is that we have a Facebook group whereby we all support and help each other. In that group, we have about 3,000 plus, going to about 4,000 members on that group. Jordan has guided everyone. Everyone have their own success story to tell. And Jordan is active on that group to answer any question you can think of, anything you're confused about. He's there to support you to make sure that you grow to a certain level. Okay? He is very good in what he's doing. Trust me, guys, if you purchase this course, you will never regret it. I'm a living witness. I bought this course and I really enjoyed it because it contains all the information you can think of about YouTube. Before I used to see YouTube as a very big thing, I used to see YouTube as like, oh my god, I can't do this because I can't be on the camera. I can't. But this course has made it easy, guys. Okay, so if you purchase this course, trust me, you will never regret it. I'm a living witness, and I bought this course. I really enjoyed it because it contains all the information you can think of. How you can create a YouTube channel, how you can do thumbnails, nice topics, description, because YouTube is all about the content, what you can put out there for people to watch. Nice thumbnails, eye-catching thumbnails, topics, description. These are all the things you need to learn. And in this course, it has a breakdown step by step on how you can easily create all these things. Or even though you can create them, you can outsource them for someone, for some professionals to do that for you. Only to just download them and put them on your channel with the right tab, and you're good to go. And the money start flowing. Trust me, guys. YouTube is the key, and Jordan is the master key to unlock that success you're thinking of. So buy this course, guys. Trust me, you will not regret it. I'm a living witness. So if you buy this course, we shall all meet that day. Facebook group. There you will testify the testimonies of other group members as well. So guys, buy this course. Once again, you will not regret it. Cheers. Bye.